Hey, gorgeous.
This
Welcome
is
to
my
famous
infamous
Bing and mushroom tacos.
tacos.
So this is really my go-to
No.
whenever I don't feel like doing much of anything. So you can make it completely vegan or you can do half and half. My family is not vegan. I try to eat as much vegan as I can. So anyway, mushrooms, onions, there's a little bit of bell pepper, that is chopped up garlic. You just saute this in a pan, so you can use vegan butter, you can use regular butter, or a little bit of olive oil. Now, once it's all in here, sauteing down, I just season it up really good with my own taco seasoning blend. You can use regular tacos if you want. I added about 3 cans of organic black beans to this, and I smash some. I leave some whole, for texture. This cooks down. I keep seasoning because I like a lot of flavor. That is cilantro from the garden. And I think later I add a little bit of parsley. It bakes down like this, or it sautés down like that. No, it's not that aesthetically pleasing, but it's delicious. So these are corn tortillas, right? Smash a little bit, spread it out, add some vegan cheese, a little bit of olive oil in the second pan, crisp them up on each side till they're golden brown. I break them open again and then add, that's my daughter being greedy, I add pico de gallo and a little bit of vegan sour cream and some chipotle sauce. It is to live for. They're amazing. Comment recipe if you want the recipe.